How to fix slow download speed on your Google Chrome browser. Now, the very first thing that you have to double check is your current network or your Wi-Fi connection. You just have to make sure that you have enough or even a maximum bar, signal bar that you have from your current device that you have connected to. And once you made sure is of course you can go ahead and try to rerun some speed tests for you to be able to see if your internet speed has a decent um, megabytes per second. Now once your internet is stable, all you have to do from your Google Chrome browser is to just clear cache. So to do that, to go to the three dots in here and go directly to settings. Now from settings, go to privacy and security and go to delete browsing data. Now just have to tick all these boxes right here and make sure that you change the time range to all time. And before you click on delete data, make sure that you do memorize all your login passwords and username because once you click this one and confirm it, you will be automatically logged out from all of the sites that you have logged in your credentials. So once you made sure, just go ahead and click on delete data and confirm it for you to be able to clear cache and unnecessary tabs from your Google Chrome. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix slow download speed on your Google Chrome.